Number 1. G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB C30. Testing the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 6000, you're immediately struck by its sleek design and robust performance. This memory kit is not just about looks, it delivers impressive speed and reliability right out of the box. You might think all RAM does the same thing, but the Trident Z5 Neo RGB C30 stands out from the crowd. Its premium exterior combines function with flair, creating an enjoyable experience every time you power on your PC. First, it works immaculately without any need for tweaking. This plug-and-play convenience is a lifesaver, saving time and frustration. Plus, it's a perfect fit for both AMD and Intel platforms, ensuring compatibility across your devices. Solid performance is a must, and this DDR5 RAM does not disappoint. Even when compared to similar models, the Trident Z5 Neo RGB C30 proves to be a leader. Fast and efficient, it handles multitasking and gaming with ease. Its speed is more than satisfactory for current needs, even if there might be faster models in the future. Aesthetic appeal is subjective, yet you can't help but appreciate the kit's design. The RGB lighting adds a vibrant touch to any build. It's like having a mini light show inside your PC case, elevating the overall look of your system. Now, just a tiny drawback. The opportunity for further tweaking isn't vast because it already performs so well. However, this doesn't detract much from its overall appeal. Wrapping up, the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB C30 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking top-tier DDR5 RAM. Check out this memory kit and elevate your computing experience to a new level.